Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, June 10, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here, I'm so tired today.
Yeah, busy times? Got any big meetings today?
Just one small one. What about you?
Oh, I've got 2 calls with clients, always running around.
That sounds like a lot. Good luck with that.
Thanks. Hey, did you hear about that news from Malaysia?
Which one? What happened?
It's about this artist guy, Fahmi Riza. They say there's no travel ban on him.
Oh really? I thought he couldn't leave the country.
Yeah, he said they stopped him, but the police say no ban. It's all over the news today.
That's strange. Why would they stop him then?
Who knows? Maybe just a mix-up at the airport.
Could be. Politics can be so messy sometimes.
Totally. I just hope it doesn't mess with my business trips.
True. We need to travel without problems for work.
Exactly. Speaking of news, did you see that thing about Trump's budget?
Yes, I did. It's about cutting health programs to pay for tax cuts.
Yeah, crazy, right? Millions might lose their health cover.
It's a big change. I wonder how it affects the economy long term.
For sure. Less money for people means less spending on stuff I sell.
That's a good point. It could slow down a lot of businesses.
Oh, I hope not. I need those sales numbers up.
Let's see what happens. It's still early to know.
True. Hey, did you hear about the Miss World thing?
Oh yes, the new winner from Thailand. What's her name?
Opal something. But there's drama with Miss England.
Really? What kind of drama?
She says the organizers used her and others. Like exploited them.
That's sad to hear. Beauty contests should be fair.
Yeah, it's a big mess. Makes you wonder what's behind the scenes.
I agree. It's not just about looking pretty. There's a lot of pressure.
For sure. I wouldn't want my daughter in that world.
Me neither. It's nice to celebrate beauty, but not like this.
Totally. Hey, at least it's something fun to talk about.
Yes, better than work stress. Do you watch those shows?
Nah, not really. But my wife loves them.
I used to watch with my mom. It brings back memories.
Nice. Hey, I gotta ask, how's your project going?
It's okay moving forward. Just a lot of details to check.
I bet. You're always so organized.
I try. What about your sales targets?
Getting there. Fingers crossed for a good month.
You'll make it. You're good at closing deals.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate that.
No problem. Hey, this coffee is really helping today.
Oh yeah, it's my best friend right now. Can't work without it.
Haha, same? I think I need one more cup later.
Me too. Maybe we'll bump into each other again.
For sure. It's nice to chat and take a break.
Totally. Keeps me sane in this busy office.
I know, right? So much to do every day.
Yeah, never stops. Got any plans after work?
Just relaxing at home. You?
Same, probably watch some TV. Need to chill.
Sounds good. Rest is important.
It is. Hey, did you see the new coffee flavors here?
No, are there new ones? What kind?
Yeah, some vanilla thing. Haven't tried it yet.
Oh, I like vanilla. Maybe I'll get that next time.
Go for it. Tell me if it's good.
I will. Hey, back to that politics news. Do you think it affects us?
The travel thing? Maybe if we go to Asia for work.
Yeah. We need clear rules for travel. It's important for projects.
For sure. I don't want delays when I'm meeting clients.
Exactly. Let's hope it's just a small issue.
Fingers crossed. And that budget thing, man, it's tricky.
Yes, if people have less money, projects might get cut too.
Oh, don't say that. I need companies buying big.
I know. We just have to wait and see.
Yeah. Hey, that Miss World drama, it's kind of funny, no?
A little? It's like a soap opera.
Exactly. Better than boring office gossip.
True, we hear enough of that here.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of, I heard Mark got a new computer.
Really? Lucky him, mine is so slow.
Mine too? I keep asking it's for help.
Same. Maybe we should team up and complain?
Ha, good idea. Let's make some noise.
Deal. Hey, I think my break is almost over.
Yeah, mine too. Gotta get back to those calls.
And I have emails waiting. So many emails.
Tell me about it. Never-ending inbox.
Haha, yes. Well, see you later, David.
See you, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, take it easy.
Always do. Catch you at the coffee machine again.
For sure. Good luck with your clients.
Thanks. Good luck with your project stuff.
Appreciate it. Talk soon.
Yep, see ya.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.